I was terrified of getting in that submarine, but I did it to make my dad happy. My name is Sلیمان Daؤد, son of Shahzada Daؤد, one of Pakistan's richest men. It all started when my dad suggested this idea about taking a trip to see the wreckage of the Titanic. I was hesitant. Just the thought of exploring something at the bottom of the ocean didn't sit right with me. I was terrified, nervous, anxious and worried about the dangers of it. But Father's Day was around the corner and I was eager to make Dad happy. He always had a strange fascination about the Titanic, and this seemed like the perfect father and son bonding opportunity. I wanted to make him happy, and I felt this was the only way I could. When it came time for the trip, I got cold feet. I grew nauseous as me, my father, and the 3 other passengers boarded the vessel. As we descended down into the ocean, I could feel my heart pounding out of my chest. Soon the light from the sun disappeared, and it was a pitch-black nightmare. For a moment I felt peace, and began to think maybe I was just overreacting, until what happened next made my nightmares come true. As the deeper we went, a crack formed in the hull, sending everyone into a panic. The pilot went into a frenzy, scrambling to find a solution. We tried calling for help to no avail. Then it happened. The walls started shrinking in on us, suffocating us, squishing all 5 of us together. The pressure of the submarine closing in put immense pain on our bodies and lungs till it imploded. The trip I had nightmares about taking ended up being my last moments of reality. But at least I got a chance to make Dad happy one last time. Please share for more awareness. Follow and like if you found it interesting.